fucking poses. Fucking poses. Obviously 340, it can hit 345, dude.
I know.
This is the dream car.
Come on, Abanta is not less.
Bachi, have to take a closer look. Still, we got a BMW rider.
Hey, Abu, man, we got a BMX rider.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice.
Bachi is pulling.
Pulling faster, bro.
Should I tell him rave?
Woo.
Oh, nice. Oh, crazy, dude. Oh, shit, dude. Yeah. अरे मारा उसने बच्ची. This is a 2 crore on the road.
We can't do rash riding.
Yeah, वो भी ऐसे वो रुका.
Will be jama. Dude, nice. I'm getting the chance to take a video of it.